who in manufacturing should care about CMMC?
Everyone in manufacturers should care about CMMC. I feel like over the years, seeing technology being implemented and becoming a necessity, part of that growth also is all about getting everyone else to understand the importance of technology. I remember when I started my first full-time job out of high school, I worked in an accounting firm in Connecticut, and not everyone had a computer. And a lot of the partners in this accounting firm were like, I don't need a computer. All I need is my calculator. And they were great. They could type a mile a second on that calculator, pull the lever, whatever. Probably not that far back. But at that time, people were, technology was just taking off. So at different points in time, technology expands and the understanding of the need for technology grows. So now it's not about understanding just what technology to use, is how do we keep it safe? How do we have best practices? And how do we teach our staff to make sure that they're also using it properly? So by understanding the necessity of CMMC, we're teaching them to know the value of cybersecurity best practice, to avoid the potential risk and threats that are out there, so that could potentially bring your business down. And we've seen that happen from time to time with ransomware attacks and things like that. So teaching them, understanding how the framework relates back to that value is going to help them to invest into these requirements.